Okay.
Welcome to Caribbean Magazine, Mr. Bogle.
Well, good evening. Mr. Bogle for short, Gerald leave it for the name, you know what I'm saying?
Now, Joe, you're responsible, I have to say, for a lot of young black youths in Britain going mad over the Bogle dance. What is the Bogle dance?
Well, the Bogle dance is simpler dance type. Caters for young, old, middle age, everybody. Bogle dance coming from the die-hearted dance hall scene in Jamaica. You understand me? Bogle dance is not just Bogle dance, you know. Trust me, there's a lot of things behind Bogle and the dance.
The Bogle is the predominant dance right now that's taken life throughout London and the rest of the world.
The new addition to the Bogle is a development of the basic movement, and then you've had counteraction dances to it from different parts of Kingston, notably the Armstrong.
The Bogle is the predominant dance right now that's taken life throughout London and the rest of the world.
You dance and lick, in your hand in the ear, then you rock, then you dip. Move to the drum and make your body kick. Step forward and come up back quick. That's the new style where the whole place I do. Rock Bogle dance, some music sweet you. Bogle around the place night and day. So just rock Bogle dance, some of your tune a play. I must sing on it that after no so Bogle stay. She can't do it good, but she a rock same way. For real, me love how the girl never do it. Rock so, dip so, to God them look sweet. Just
doing Bogle dance where I am concerned right now is like a dream come true.
Mr Bogle, cook rap.